Hello everyone, welcome to Kilingo. Many English learners use the phrase I'm sorry again and again in daily conversation. Saying sorry is polite, but if you want your English to sound more natural and confident, you should learn different expressions for different situations. In today's video, we will learn better ways to apologize, accept mistakes, and respond politely in English. The first expression is I apologize. This is a more formal and professional way to say sorry. You can use it at work, in emails, or in serious situations. For example, I apologize for the delay. This sounds more professional than only saying I'm sorry. The second expression is my mistake. We use this when we make a small mistake and want to accept responsibility. For example, if you send the wrong message, you can say my mistake. I sent the wrong file. It is simple and natural. Another useful expression is I didn't mean to. We use this when something happens accidentally. For example, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. This shows that you did not do something intentionally. You can also say that was my fault. This means you accept that you made the mistake. For example, I forgot to bring the documents. That was my fault. Taking responsibility is an important communication skill. Another common phrase is sorry about that. This is a casual and friendly way to apologize. For example, if you are late or interrupt someone, you can say sorry about that. It sounds natural in everyday conversations. Sometimes we don't need to apologize strongly. We can say thanks for understanding. This is a positive way to handle a situation. For example, I couldn't finish the work today. Thanks for understanding. It changes the focus from the mistake to appreciation. Another helpful expression is I appreciate your patience. We use this when someone waits for us or gives us time. Thank you for waiting. I appreciate your patience. Now let's look at some examples. If you arrive late to a meeting, instead of only saying I'm sorry, you can say I apologize for being late. If you make a small mistake, just say my mistake. If you accidentally disturb someone, just say I didn't mean to. Remember, fluent English is not about repeating the same sentence. It is about choosing the right expression for the right situation. Learning these phrases will help you sound more confident, polite, and natural. Thank you for watching Kilingo. Keep practicing these expressions in your daily life and your English will improve step by step. Subscribe for more English speaking lessons, vocabulary, and communication tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.